How to add music on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add music on ClipChamp. Well, there is various method of adding music. The first is if you want to export it from any video, then you can import the media, tap on import media and select the file, then import the video and then export the audio from it. So you can tap on, once you're on the timeline, tap on right click on the mouse and there you will find this option here, audio, and you can go ahead and detach it and you'll get the audio. The other option is to import audio directly, as tap on import media, import the audio and set it on your timeline. Now if you want to use music, if you want to add music from within the ClipChamp servers, then here you can see here, all you got to do is tap on add audio option on your timeline. Then you'll be headed to the content library. Here you can see featured, which is the premium. You can see exclusive to ClipChamp, where you can add search for audios and such. So from here you can see music options and sound effects option. You can head into music or sound effects and add it directly if it is the free. So this is how you can easily add music on ClipChamp, whether you want to import it or you want to use the default musics available. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.